Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everything's good where you're living. 2021 is going to be an extremely exciting year. We got a lot of cool places planned out for camping. We've got a lot of new things that we can't even talk about yet, but once we get there, you guys are going to be the first ones to know. Got a lot of exciting things coming up. So that got us thinking, while we're planning out 2021, we got us reminiscing about last year.
We ended up camping over 30 nights. That's like a whole month that we're actually out camping in 2020. Everyone talks about the pandemic and what a crazy year it was, but we actually were able to enjoy it and get out and see a lot of different things. As we started looking back at our pictures, we actually found out and realized that we did kind of some waterfall chasing. We saw waterfalls at pretty much every place we went this past year.
Yep, we got to see a lot of cool places, and what we're going to do is we compiled everything. We're calling it 2020 Rewind. It's basically a look back at all the awesome places we got to go during the pandemic. So anything you guys see in the video, you're kind of wondering, questioning, where is that place? We're going to put everything in the description of all the places we visited for 2020 and all the cool places that we got coming up we're going to list for 2021 down below.
Are we?
We are.
Okay. And we'll have links to the videos that all of these are representing so that you can always go back and check out those videos too for more information and more about those specific trips.
Awesome.
If there's any fun places that you've been in 2020 or are looking forward to seeing in 2021, share below. We'd love to find out where you guys are going to go visit in the next year.
Well, with that, let's roll the footage.
Like, share, subscribe. See you next time.
It's good.
Specifics. Yes.
See ya. Bye. It's freezing out here, and I'm in shorts.